ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ ब्रह्मानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं गगनसदृशं तत्त्वमस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधी साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ॐ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
Chit by its own sankalpa imagines itself to be jiva and gets subjected to samsara. In a given embodiment, especially in the human embodiment, balye vivasha sarvartha. All bhogas are dependent on others, it has to depend on others. Yauvane chintayavrita. Youth stage totally full of anxieties and concerns about many things. Vardhakye ati dukkharta. Old age, nothing but sorrow only. At least after death, some relief. Mruta karmavashi krita. Gets subjected to the program of karma. And what happens? Jayate. So, where jayate? How jayate? What embodiment is taken? That is explained or described in a greater detail. Swarganagare nagi patala potare asuri daitalvare asuri daitalvare vasudhatave narasri. Let us see further.
राक्षसी राक्षसाधारे वानरी वनकोटरे सिंही गिरीन्द्रशिखरे किन्नरी कुलपर्वते। अन्वय राक्षसाधारे राक्षसी वनकोटरे वानरी गिरीन्द्रशिखरे सिंही कुलपर्वते किन्नरी।
There is nothing much in that. Rakshasadhare Rakshasi. Adhara means sthana. Adhara here means not support, sthana. In the places of Rakshasas, it becomes Rakshasi. You know, Rakshasa and Asura. Difference is that. Rakshasa is more cruel than Asura. Asuras are adharmic. Rob away someone is a Rakshasa. Chindi, bindi, kill, cut. cut into pieces, kill, etc. All these other Rakshasa. So difference is there between the Asura and Rakshasa. Rakshasa-dhare, Rakshasanam sthane, in the regions of Rakshasa, becomes Rakshasi again. Again, here what you have to bring here? Jayate. Every phrase you have to bring. Jayate is born as, this chip, a Jiva is born as, in the Rakshasa sthana as what? In the regions of Rakshasi. But how? Karma vashikruta, not just arbitrarily, no, on account of, according to the karma. Vanakotare vanri. In the deep forest or in the forest, vanari, shimanti, all feminine. Vanari, vanara, vanari. Girindra shikare silvi jayate. In the big mountain peaks in the forests are there, Simvi Jayate is born as what? She lion, female lion. Kula Parvate means in Himalayas, etc. Himavat Adav, in Himalayas. Kinnari. Have you heard this Kinnara Gandharva? Gandharvas are celestial musicians. Kinnari means, you know what is a Kinnara? Kinnara? You see, it looks like man but not man. So there is that mermaid or something is there, no? Mermaid, fish body, but the face is of that of a woman. So like a Kinnara. There is one tree called Kimshuka. Because that flower actually appears like what? The beak of a parrot. Is it Shuka like that? Means resembling Nara but not Nara. So that is feminine. Kinnari. Kinnara Gandharva is our feminine. Kinnari. Kila Parvati. Continue.
Vidyadhari devagirao Vyali chavana vartake Lata tarau khagi nire Virutsanau ane mrugi Anvaya Devagirau Vidyadhari Vanavartake cha Vyali Tarau Lata Nire Khagi Vane Virutsanau Vane Mrugi.
No. Sanau Virut Vane Mrugi. See, Nire Khagi over, then Sanau Virut Vane Mrugi. Sanu, and locative is Sanau, we will say what it is. Sanau Virut and Vane Mrugi. Deva, now everywhere you have to add Jayate, is born like this, is born as this, is born as this. Devagiri is Meru Parvata. On the Meru mountain, it is born as what? Vidyadhari. Vidyadharas are a certain type of denizens. So here, female Vidyadhari. Vanagartake cha Vyali. Vanagartake, in the pits of Vana. That is pits of Vana. In the deep of Vana, pits of Vana. So what is that? Vyali. Vyali means snake. The whole snake holes are there, no? That is what is called as Vana Gartaka. Gartaka means a pit. So in the holes, or it can be some caves also you can take. Caves, because leopard also is valley. Valley means snake, a leopard, and a a vicious elephant. All these are valleys. A vicious elephant. So Vanagartaki valley. Taraulata. On the tree as a creeper it is born. Nile Khagi. In the nest born as birds. Khaga, Khagi, she-birds. Sano means peak. Or the woods or forest. Peak or the woods or the forest. In the woods, the forest, that is virut. Virut means shrubs. Small shrubs. Vane, Brigi. In the Vana, gardens, etc., or not very thick forest, but Vana. So Vane, Brigi, she deer. This is all what Jiva Gati. Now, from 93, it can be taken as Jiva Gati, or some say that it is what this. How Chit is the karta of all vyaparas. Chitaha, Chitehe, Sarva Vyapara Kartrita. It can be continuation of who? Jiva Gati, or Chitehe, Sarva Vyapara Kartrita. It is mixed again, that Jiva Gati comes there. But there is a certain portion which can be looked at otherwise also as such.
Chete Narayanam Bodhau Jnani Brahma Pure Jajaha Kanta Gato Harashaile Swarge Suravaro Harihi. Advaya Narayanaha Ambodhau Chete Brahmapure Jnani Abjajaha Shaile Kantagataha Haraha Swarge Suravaraha Harihi.
Narayana Ambodhau Shete. Narayana. Who is Vishnu? In the Ambodhau, in the Kshiratagara, he reclines. What does it mean? What is the topic? Jivagati. And Narayana is not spared. How? Is Narayana Jiva? Shiva Purana says whether Vishnu, Shiva, Shankara, Trilochana or Brahma, these are permanent posts. Posts are permanent, but occupants are not permanent. Like Prime Minister, President of a country. The post is there. Creation is there, post is there. But who occupies the person? So, if I remember correctly, in Sutta Samhita, Sutta Samhita is high in Vedanta, it is said, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwaras are also exalted jivas. In the past kalpas, like how Hiranyagarbha, he has done specific karmas and upasanas and got that post of Vinayana. The moment he is born, Atma Jnana is there. So like that, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara are the jivas of the past kalpa. But because of their knowledge and upasana and karma, etc., they are donning a post. So that is one way of looking. Means they are also who? Jiva. But we don't worship Jiva. When we worship Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, we worship as what? Very Parameshwara Tattva. I just heard some bhajan. Somebody gave me a CD. Sa se Sai, E se Ishwara, Sacha Satya Sancha Satya Sai. Sa se Sai, E se Ishwara, means Sai is there, no? Sa stands for Sai, E stands for Ishwara, Sancha, Sancha means mold. Mold is what? Satya Sai means for Ishvara, the mold is form is what? Satya Sai. So like that, this Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, so these are only forms, but represent what? Divinity principle. Now you may say, what about you and me? Are we not the forms expressing divinity principle? Yes. But degree of manifestation varies. We also this because our Swarupa is what? Divinity principle. But there is express manifestation of divinity in these, that means Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, Hiranyagarbha, Virat, all these things. So from that man, so that is one way of looking. Then Narayana Ambodhau Sheti Brahmapure, in Brahmaloka, Dhyani Abjaha. Abjaha means Brahmaji, born of lotus from the navel of Lord Vishnu. And who is he? Dhyani, lost in what? Meditation. What dhyana? Dhyana of past creation, because he is GM production, you know. So therefore, he has to recall to his mind the past creation, so that similar creation in this kalpa can be made. Dhyani, Brahmabja. Haraha, nahi, Shaile, Kantagataha, Haraha. So Shaile. Shaila means Kailasa Parvati. Here Shaila mountain is what? Kailasa Parvata. There, who is this? Haraha. Kanta Gataha Haraha. Kantaya Gataha Haraha Kanta Gataha. You know Ardhanari Nateshwara. Half part is who? Shiva. Half Parvati is Parvati. So Kantaya Gata, united with the same is Ardhanari Nateshwaraha, who Haraha. So that Shiva is there on the Kailasa mountain. Even Parvati also is a Jiva. Parvati also is Jiva, but by exalted tapas she has got that status. Swarge, in the heavens, Suravaraha Hari. Suranambaraha, Devendraha, Hari here is who? Be careful, this Hari is not Vishnu. Hari is who? Indra. Hari means Vishnu, Hari means Indra, Hari means monkey. You know that? The Moola of Ramayana is in Hari only. I have told this. Narada once got very proud that he is a brahmachari. So he could live a life of brahmacharya. He went for tapas. And returned. Vishnu asked, Narada, where are you? No, I have been tapas. What did he accomplish? I have mastered, that is celibacy. Vishnu, no. He went to Shiva first. He went to Shiva first. No, he went to Brahmaji first. He went to Brahmaji first. So Brahmaji said, do one thing. Don't tell Vishnu. Don't tell Vishnu this. He thought, why? See, they are jealous of me. Because they are all married. I am not married. And therefore, what? Anyway, he said, yes, I went to Shiva. Shiva. Again he told, Shiva said, you are a great person, but to do one thing, by all means don't tell Vishnu. He was surprised, but still that thought came, because they are all girl stuff, big girl stuff, and so then he went Vishnu. Vishnu also generally is there, no? Narada, wherever you, etc. That dialogue is there. What did he accomplish? Perfect Brahmacharya. Vishnu laughed. He didn't say anything. Vishnu laughed. Vishnu laughed. And that was over. Narada was going somewhere. A beautiful city was there. And he heard that the princess, the daughter of this king, is going to get married, and Swayamvara, all the great kings, etc. are invited. So the king came to know that Narada, and he came running. What a blessing, my daughter's marriage. And here is Saint Narada, say, Bhagavan, please bless my daughter. He said yes. And when he saw the daughter, he thought, why not marry her? But how can he? Why not marry her? And he got fascinated. But after all, he is what? An ascetic. So, princess means should be it. So he went to Vishnu. Said, Bhagavan, give me Hari's Rupa. Who is Hari? Vishnu. So beautiful. He said, Tathastu. Hari's Rupa, Tathastu. Narada was very happy. All they are sitting now, all these princes, all the kings and all the sitting together. Behind Narada, two Rudras, two Ganas of Shiva were there. They were laughing, looking at who? Narada. Oh, those days, mirrors were not accessible freely. That was the problem. So, Narada never saw his face. You know what had happened? He got his face, his monkey, and he was ugly. Everyone was looking and laughing at him, etc. The princess came, and then they have dasis, no? This person is so and so great, etc., 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 etc. So she goes in front of everyone, this thing. And when Narada asked her to come, she bypassed. She went to this. Narada got angry. And afterwards, she chose one. Do you know who was it? Vishnu. Vishnu himself. And when Narada saw, and he came to know that monkey's face, he got so angry and he cursed. You will be born on earth and will be separated from life. That is the cause for Ramayana. That is how this curse is there for Ramayana. So that is what it is. So that is what Hari. Hari can mean who? Monkey also. So here Hari is Indraha. So Hari is Indraha. Hari. So this can be seen two ways. As the Jivagati, this is one way. Other way is a person who does Upasana of Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara, gaining the Sarupya Mukti. Sarupya Mukti means what? Heaven only, not the Atyanta Moksha, not this Moksha. Sarupya Mukti, wherein he becomes the same as what? The Vishnu, etc. And he becomes same as Vishnu means Harishete, Ambudhau. So that way it can be taken. Or, as I said, this from here, This is Chitehe sarvavyapara kartrita eva iti, that it can be taken. Now you find sarvavyapara kartrita.
Dinam karoti tishnaushubhu Varshatyam budharo jalam Karoti swasanam samvit Saparvatamahodadhim. Advaya Tikshnaushubhu Dinam karoti Ambudharaha Jalam varshati Samvit Saparvatamahodadhim Shvasanam karoti. Again, Tikshnaushubhu Dinam karoti Ambudharaha Jalam varshati Samvit Saparvatamahodadhim Shvasanam karoti.
Chit as Tikshnashu. Chit is what? Who is Tikshnashu? Sun, Surya. Means what? Sun, Surya also is there. Jiva. Sun, Surya also is there. Samvit Tikshnashu. What is that? Dinam karoti. Makes day and night. So makes means it makes day and night. Ambudharaha, chit becoming cloud, jalam varshati, rains the water. So rains the water means rains. Water. Again, samvit means chit only. Saparvata mahodadhim shvasanam karoti. Here shvasana, not simply breathing, vayu vyapara, blowing of the wind, etc. So that is as the samvit, as vayu, it blows in parvata, mahodadi, the ocean, mountain, etc. Everywhere it blows. Or yes, vayu adi vyapara. And or it makes the, because of wind, it makes them tremble, shake, move like that. Aparam karoti. Who does it all? Chit only. Rutu chakra.
Rutu chakram pravahati Sahasa kala mandalam Dinaratritayopaiti Tejastimiratam krama. Anvaya Rutu chakram Kalamandalam Sahasa pravahati Dinaratritaya kramat Tejastimiratam upaiti. Again, Rutu chakram Kalamandalam Sahasa pravahati Dinaratritaya kramat Tejastimiratam upaiti.
In that Narada's episode, Hari, it was all Maya by Vishnu. There was neither the king, nor the prince, nor marriage, nothing was there. It was all Maya created by Vishnu, just to teach a lesson to Narada. And also, when the God does something, many purposes are there. It is a prelude for Ramayana also. It is a prelude for Ramayana also. Rutu chakram kalamandalam sahasa pravahati. This chit, see, what is that? Pravahati, sahasa pravahati, makes them pass forcibly. that makes the Kala Chakra move. Sahasa. Sahasa means forcibly. Pravati, make them pass. Pravati means flows, makes it flow. It makes them pass. What? It says, Rutu Chakram. Chakra of Rutu is years. How? One after the other, the seasons come and constitute 1 year. Rutu Chakram, years. Kala Mandalam, Yuga, Manvantara, etc. Viparardha, etc. or Kala Mandalam. Mandalam, Sahasa, forcibly, Pravati, make them pass. Again, Dinaratrikaya, the chit as Dina, day, and Ratri. See, what does it do? Kramat, one after the Tejas Timiratam Upaiti. Upaiti, Prapnoti. As the day, it becomes the light. Teja is light. As night, it becomes the darkness. Very same chit. Continue.
Kvachit Vijarasolasa.
Kvachit Bijarasolasa.
Kvachit Pashana Maunini. Kvachit Nadi Rasavati. Kvachit Kumuda Viskrutihi. Anvaya. Kvachit Bija Rasolasa.
One thing. Is that Lasat? Is that? Lasa, after Ullasa, Ullasat is then? Takara is then? Remove that Takara. It is like this. Vachit Bija Rasolasa, Lasa, then Takara is not there. Vachit Pashana Maunini. Anything? It's all copying some book, because the editing is not there. Somewhere they are saying original Nirnaya Sagar book is with this Takara, Mula Takara is there. Somebody printed the same thing. Of course, you can't expect those printers to go to. Some scholars have to edit, which is impossible.
Anvaya. Kvachit Bija Rasolasa. Kvachit Pashana Maunini. Kvachit Rasavati Nadi. Kvachit Kumuda Vistrutihi. Again, Kvachit Bija Rasolasa. Kvachit Pashana Maunini. Kvachit Rasavati Nadi. Kvachit Kumuda Vistrutihi.
Jayate, you can take Jayate also. Jayate means both Jivagati, or here it is how Chit only does all these things. Kvachit, at places. Here, Bija is there, therefore at places you have to take Vrikshadishu. In trees, etc. etc. means creepers, which yield fruits, and therefrom the seeds. So those which yield the seeds. Kvachit at places. Bija Rasolasa. So Bija Rasolasa. Ullasa means splendor. Ullasa can mean sport, delight also, but here it is splendor, growth. In terms of what? Bija Rasa. Bijatmaka Rasa. And the Rasa that causes the sprout, Ankura. Bijatmaka Rasa, and the Rasa that causes the sprout, Ankura. So that is what who becomes Chit only. That is nothing but Chit only. Kvachit Kumuda Vistruti. at places in like big lakes and all that, Kumuda Vistriti, multitudes, expanse of lotuses. Acha. Kvachit Pashana, that was last one. Kvachit Pashana Maunini, at places Maunini Pashana. Maunini means Nischala, rock, firm rock, non-moving rock. See, if you see a rock, Mauna is there or not?
Yes.
No sound at it. That is that. Pashana Maunini, Nischala Pashana, Nischala Pashana, it becomes. Kvachit Rasavati Nadi, where it is river having sweet water, very good, sweet water, Rasavati Nadi. Kvachit Kumuda Vistriti, at places where big lakes etc. are there, the multitudes, the expanse of what? The lotuses. It is lotuses. Vistriti. Continue. Now see, anything you come across, don't get carried away by Nama Rupa. Go to the very basis. What is that? And know, I am also that. As that light is that, my light is this, better now. Reverse. Put first name. See, your car is going speeding in a wrong direction. Can you reverse? Put the brake and stop, and then write about turn. Is it not? So now what is the brake here? Stop. Which direction your car is going? Heading? With all speed. Even if the speed limit is 120, it is going at 160. What is the first thing? Put the brakes. Stop it. So in which direction it is? Samsara. First stop it. Which brake you will put? Viveka Vairagya. Even brake you can't use. You can't put suddenly. Gadbad ho jayega. That means first slowly, that is Viveka. And then finally, Chinese. So finally, so that is what Vairagya. And then turn towards what? Chiti Swarupa, Atma Swarupa, Brahma Swarupa. You can't do that way, speeding that side and looking at back. You go, Ubhaya Prashna, accident. There is the accident. Don't do that. No, Chiti Swarupa you have to get, and we have to tell direction. That's so. Speeding on the wrong direction, looking at the back. It's a nature. So that you can't have both as the modern style. Both. That both, because they are not eligible for this. At the same time, to some extent, Shastra gives some allowance. It is not a license. It is not a total sanction. But chalega, thoda sa, so that the fellow can be slowly done. Grihasthashrama is meant for that. Grihasthashrama is not for maja karo. Saha dharmacharini. आज सहचारिणी धर्म गया उधर से. So if you only sahacharini, that also how long God knows. So that is it. And the dharma goes. Not, it is a partner for dharma, to live a life of dharma. Why live a life of dharma? In course of time, I develop Viveka Vairagya and take to the means which can make me accomplish the final goal of life, that is Atma Jnana, this is Brahma Jnana. No escape from Atma Jnana. Only when it has to be seen. It may be after many kalpas, you decide whether to postpone and undergo all this Brigi, Sivimi, Varaki, Vyadi, all that, or put an end as early as possible. That is left to you to decide. You say, not me. That is why Lord Shiva is taking soap in all this. He came all the way to Vasishtha. See, even date is there when he came. Like I told you, like Gita Jayanti, Devadana Vidhana Jayanti can be celebrated. Shravana Krishna Ashtami Pradosha times. Night around 8 o'clock. Exact time also is there. Not just now. Like the Gita Jayanti, this is when it was that they have got the date, Tithi, like that. This Devadana Vidhana was given in the Shravana Mantha, Krishna Paksha, Ashtami Tithi, and Pradosha time. It is around, first this Prahara was over also, around 8 o'clock in the night as well. Continuing.
Kvachit palavali pakaihi Kvachit kashtanaladivihi Kvachit chaitya himadvari Kvachit khadina kinchana. Anvaya. Kvachit palavali pakaihi and upalakshita. Then kvachit kashtanaladivihi and upalakshita. Okay. Then kvachit chaitya himadvari.
Shaitya himadvari. There is no dwari, huh? Vari.
Chaitya himadvari. Kvachit khadi and anyat kinchana.
No, kinchana.
No. Again. Kvachit palavali pakaihi and upalakshita. Kvachit kashtanaladivihi and upalakshita. Kvachit chaitya himadvari. Kvachit khadi and anyat kinchana. No.
Kvachit at places, on trees or creeper, etc. Palavali pakaihi upalakshita. Upalakshita is characterized as Palavali paka, that is rows of ripe fruits. Avali means rows, heap, multitudes of what? Ripe fruits. Upalakshita. Kvachit kashtanaladihi upalakshita. At places, kashtanala. Kashta means wood. Anala is fire in that. By that it is character. Means kashta, anala are nothing but what? This chit only. Kvachit at places, shaitya. Shaitya means cold. That which is cool. Shaitya himatvari means it is like this. At places it is shaitena himam iva acharat himatvari. Because of cold appearing as hima. Hima is snow. Like the snow It is what the cold water, means cool water, which is freezing, etc. Himatvari, kvachit kha adi, kham, akasha, space, adi for vayu, etc. He says, anya kinchanana, all these akasha, vayu, etc. are nothing other than chit. They are nothing but means they are not anything other than chit. This chit alone becomes so and nothing else. Nothing else. That kvachit palavali pakai means as ripe rows of fruit, ROWS, rows of fruit. Continue.
क्वचित् उज्ज्वलिताकारा क्वचित् कष्टाशिला क्वचित् क्वचित् नीलाथ हरिता क्वचित् नीलाथ हरिता क्वचित् अग्नि क्वचित् मही अन्वय क्वचित् उज्ज्वलिताकारा क्वचित् कष्टा क्वचित् शीला क्वचित् नीलाथ हरिता क्वचित् अग्निः क्वचित् मही. Again, क्वचित् उज्ज्वलिताकारा क्वचित् कष्टा क्वचित् शीला क्वचित् नीला अथ हरिता क्वचित् अग्निः क्वचित् मही.
Kvachit at places Ujjwalitakara, of brilliant form, of bright form. Kvachit at places Kashta, of one which is difficult to access, means Kushakantakadi. Kusha grass is a very sharp one. Kantaka, thorns, which are difficult for access, means to go. Thorns are there. Can you walk like that? To take precaution. So which is difficult. Kashta. So, Kvachit Shila, at places it becomes Shila, means Kantaka, Kusha, etc. are what? Thorns. Then Shilrock or Shila. Kvachit Nila, at places blue things. Blue beads, black beads, blue beads. Nila can be black also. Nila, also at places Harita, turmeric, or what is called as brown color grape. Brown color grape is called Harita. Actually, Harita means green color. But Harita is what? Haldi. Turmeric. Harita also is turmeric. Or brown color grape. Everything is this thing, just few names are given there. Kvachit Agni, at places it is fire. Kvachit Mahi, at places it is the earth, means the same chit is all these. That's all. The one and the same chit is all these. Continuing.
Sarvatmatvat sarvagatvat sarvashaktitvayogatah sarvatvadevam rupaiva खादप्यच्छैव सा परा। अन्वय सा परा सर्वात्मत्वात् सर्वगत्वात् सर्वशक्तित्वयोगतः सर्वत्वात् एवं रूपैव खादप्यच्छैव।
रूपा एव रूपैव खाद अपि अच्छा एव।
अगेन सा परा सर्वात्मत्वात् सर्वगतत्वात् सर्वशक्तित्वयोगतः सर्वत्वात् एवं रूपा एव खाद अपि अच्छा एव।
Sa para means that parachit, that chit which is para, free from prapancha, limitless, ananda swarupa, aparichhinna, advaya. Sa para, because of this, sarvatmatva, being the atma, swarupa of everything. Sarvatmatva. Sarvagatva, being all pervasive in nature. Sarva Shaktitva Yogataha. What is Sarva Shaktitvam? Sarva Shakti is Maya Shakti. Sarva Shaktitva Yoga is Maya Shakti Yoga Sambandha being conditioned by Maya Shakti. Being conditioned by what? Maya Shakti. Sarva Shakti Yogataha. Sarvatva Sarvatva being everything. Evam Rupa Eva. Evam Rupa. What is that Evam Rupa? Of this form, of this nature means Jagad Rupa. Of this form, of this nature means what? Jagad Rupa. Rupa eva. This is with respect to creation. In short, what does it mean? Parachit, on account of Maya Shakti, is this entire Jagat, that's all. Parachit, on account of Maya Shakti, that is what? Sarva Shaktitva Yogata, because of Sambandha, Yoga, Sambandha, connection with Maya Shakti, is all this. But Vastutaha, in reality, what is that? That is Vastutaha or Paramarthataha, in its real nature. Do you know what its nature? Kha api acha eva. Acha means swacha. Swacha means nirupadhika. Asanga. Khadapi. Kham khat. Then akasha. You see, akasha is asanga, is it not? Swacha. Uncontaminated by whatever that exists in itself. See, suppose foul smell is coming. Space is not polluted, air is polluted, but we say space pollution. So Akasha is always free from all the blemish. So like that, so see, Paramarthataha means Paramartha Rupa Vastu is what? Khatati, Akashadati, Acha means pure, means Swacha, means free from all entire adhyastha. See now, what is applied? Free from Jagat means free from samsara, free from sorrow, free from janma marana, free from upadhi, but get subjected to samsara. All sankalpa buddha. Therefore, what is to be done? First attack must be Sankalpa Mooloyam Jagat. This is the Sankalpa. Individual level also. At Vishti level, you get rid of Sankalpa, desires and thoughts. You know what is that? You are nothing but Chit Shiva. You are nothing but Chit Shiva. But you can't just get rid of them. There is a process. This is what is the process. So Viveka, Vairagya, Shamadhamadi, Shatka Sampatti. With this Mumukshutva, with this take to Shravana, Manana, Nididhyasana. And if anything that stops you from this, overcome that. But I can't do. Pray. Okay. Bhagavan is there to help you. If you don't want to pray, God bless you. What can be done? So wait. Our sympathy, we send prayers also. Okay? Let some good sense prevail as soon as possible. So therefore, it undergoes all these troubles and privations. In reality, is what? Free from all this. This is the Jiva Gati. This is the flight. Because of what? Sarva Shakti Yogataha. And what is that Sarva Shakti? Maya Shakti Yogataha. Continue.
Chichinoti yathātmānam yena yatra yada yada tat tatha nubhavatyambu spandadviccāditāṃ yathā. Anvaya. Chit Atmanam Yena Ad Bhavena Yatra Yada Yada Yatha Chinoti Tatha Tat Anubhavati Yatha Ambu Spandad Vichaditam.
Vichi Aditam. Spandad Vichi. Vichi means Taranga. Gairu. Vichi Aditam.
Yatha Spandad Vichi Aditam. Again. Chit Atmanam Yena Ad Bhavena Yatra Yada Yada Yatha Tatha Tat Anubhavati Yatha Ambu Spandadi Vichi Spandad Vichi Adikam.
Chit, whatever it creates is what you create. Chit, whatever it creates, whatever it projects, experience that as I. What is it? Chit. Atmanam. Here Atmanam means Swam, oneself. One's own self. Not Satchidananda Atma. Chit itself is Satchidananda Atma. Chit Atmanam, oneself. So Atmanam, Swam. Yena bhavena, in whatever way, in whatever rupa, in whatever nama, rupa, whether yena bhavena, in whatever form, say yena. Yatra yada chinoti. Yatra means wherever. Yada means, actually yatra has to be taken yatra. Wherever. Yada to be taken as whenever. Wherever and whenever, in whatever form, what does it do? Atmanam oneself, chinoti. Chinoti means creates or projects. In Sanskrit, Chinoti meaning is Vivartena Upachayam Nayati. Upachayam Nayati, creates or projects. How? Vivartena, without changing itself. Like a rope becoming a snake. Rope has not got changed, it is vivarta. See, a rope mistaken for a snake, but rope has really not become snake but appears as snake. This is what is called vivarta creation. Swarupasya aparityagena Rupantara apatti. Swaswarupasya aparityagena, without giving up its own nature, Rupantara prapti, becoming something else. Rope all the time is rope and it appears as though it has become snake. This is vivarta creation. Likewise, Chiti, Chit, Shiva, because of Sarva Shakti, that is Maya Shakti, Sambandha, without undergoing any change in itself, appears as what? Entire Jagat. That is what is called as Vivartena Upachayam Nayati. Actually, Upachayam is collecting, gathering. Here it is in terms of creation or projection. Chinoti, and then means it has projected itself like all this. Tatha, in accordance with that, tat means tad bhavam, that bhava, that nama rupa, tad bhavam, that particular thing. It says anubhavati, it experiences. Means whatever it creates, it experiences. And that time, forgetting the Swarupa, that is what happens to be what? The samsara experiences, anubhavati, for which an illustration is given. Yatha spanda vichaditam. Ambu, yatha ambu, just as water is spanda, by ishat chalana. Spanda, this meaning is given. By little movement, spanda, what happens? It becomes what? Vichi adikam. Waves, breakers, foam, bubbles, it becomes. So like this. Means now waves, breakers, foam, bubble are nothing but what? Water only. So therefore all these bhavas, all the objects and beings and things are nothing but what? Chit only. And whatever it projects, it undergoes. It undergoes the experience of that. Problem is the experience. Problem is the experience, not knowing the Swarupa. What are those different bhavas? What are those different beings? See, yena bhavena was told. Yatra yatra yada yada yena bhavena chinoti. What are those things that it creates? What is the problem? So again a sample of list comes.
Hamsi kram jivaki kaki Sarasi turagi ruhi Baki baraka karini Vanari kinnari shuni Anvaya added.
Hausi, Hausa Swan, she swan. She's a Hausi. Krauncha Pakshi is there. Krauncha Pakshi. In fact, Ramayana came because of that hunter shot a couple, one of the couple of Krauncha Pakshi. Kraunchi. Baki, crane. Baki comes twice. There are two types of cranes, with small leg and one was baka dhyana, long leg wala. So that's why twice it came to show different types of cranes. Baki, kaki, not auntie, huh? Auntie also. Shikro. Even kaka kaki also. They are also equally. So, Sarasi, swan. Actually, Sarasi can be crane also. So, belonging to that category, swan also, that bird. Sarasi. Turagi, mare, she-horse, M-A-R-E, mare. She-horse. Vruki, she-wolf. Baki, we have already seen. Second time it has come to show different type of cranes. Balaka. Balaka can also mean crane. Because varieties of these birds are there, crane. Or Balaka can mean mistress, beloved woman. Balaka, mistress or beloved woman. Harini, female deer. Vanari, few jumped now. Vanari, she, monkey. Kinnari, we have seen a particular type of division. Shuni, female dog. Bitch. Like that, everything it has that all bhavas it takes, and then experience that. Now think of it. It became Shuni. What can the flight? What a sorrowful state as such. Kinnari अच्छा हो जाएगा. अभी you think that become and free, okay? Then you know. A distant hill always looks beautiful. In all languages, a distant hill always looks beautiful. Now, see, always, that must be good. Go there, support kरेगा, this must be good. You know, that Mickey Mouse entered the door. Somehow, you know, villagers, they go to the farm all day, night recreation, like the serials, etc. Now everything, computer also is there. So that is there for the villagers. So they just entertain themselves by folk songs, etc., dances and all that. So that drum, they hang it on a peg. And after dinner, etc., they take it. And this fellow, Edison, took it and he plays the drum. Dum. Inside, a small mouse had entered. Dum. It was there. It ran that side. Because some Garbadi is here. There. Dum. Garbadi ran that side. Then, dum. And the pace started increasing. Now I am totally confused. Because both sides dum. So like that. So here you feel the pitch. There, other place there. There, other place there. That is Janma Marna Chakra. What cannot be gained here cannot be gained. Why? You are this. What you are seeking is nothing but yourself. It is right accomplished here. And if you see there, think that it is there, it will be always there. You may spend kalpas together. Look, this is not brainwashing, okay? This is truth. Truth given by who? Upanishad. Upanishad are where? Veda. Who gave Veda? Ishvara. Why Ishvara gave? Because Ishvara knows a mistake has got committed. Is that Shruti Sankalpa Bahusyam Praja Yepi Anena Atmana Anupravishyami. That Jagat has come. So Ishvara says, then why this Ishvara do like this and tell us these things? You ask yourself only. Why? You are the one, Ishvara, Chit. You are the one, Chit. See, what a great drama. So you are the Chit who had done the Sankalpa. Therefore, who has to set it right. You, the Chit, have to set it right. Parameshwara with the Maya Upadhi Sarvajna Sarva Shaktiman will come to your rescue provided you ask for the help.
Om Swasti Prajabhya Paripalayantām Nyayena Margena Mahim Mahisha O Brahmanebhya Shubhamastu Nityam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu Kale Varshatu Parjamyaha Prithvi Tasya Sharini Deshoyam Shobharahitaha Brahmana Santu Nirbhayaः Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramayaः Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschid Dukkhavag Bhavet Asato Ma Sadgamaya Samaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om